My phone is gone.
Bro, did you go relax?
Bro, this is serious.
Relax, where did you see last time?
Bro, it was in my hands 2 minutes ago.
Nobody moves. We have a tip here. I watched the 3 detective movies.
So, you're an expert?
Exactly. First question. Where were you 5 minutes ago?
Right here.
Suspicious.
Why?
When you were so calm.
Because I didn't do this.
That's exactly what people will say.
Your theory doesn't make sense. Yeah, it makes. Emma, I have a theory. What if a pigeon stole it? That's ridiculous. Have you ever asked a pigeon what it does out there? Exactly.
I have a matter to tell us, audience.
Aliens?
Why would aliens steal a phone?
Because maybe he needs Google Maps.
Yeah. Empty your pockets.
Fine.
Why do you have 2 spoons?
One of them is my emergency spoon. That's not normal.
Me, now it's your time.
Is that 4 chocolate bars?
They were on sale.
No, now it's your turn.
Why do you have a banana and other banana?
One for later.
And the other one?
Later.
We searched everything.
So who stole it? Why are you looking at me?
Check your pockets.
I already did.
Check again!
There's nothing.
What? Are you kidding me?
We blame pigeons.
And aliens.
And 2 innocent bananas.
Sorry.